2018 will be the biggest year ever for virtual assistants. We have Siri, Bixby, and Google Assistant in our phones, Cortana and Siri on our computers, and now Amazon's Alexa is available in our homes. But what can these little sidekicks do to help our businesses? Well, starting with the basics, pretty much all virtual assistants can tell you what your daily schedule looks like, call your clients from your address book, give you directions, or remind you of things. You can also ask them to remind you to do things when you get to or leave a certain location. On your computer, virtual assistants can be handy for finding files. If you like to dictate notes or emails, try asking Cortana or Siri to take a memo. You can then sit back and wax lyrical, and you'll find your notes, hopefully, dictated word for word. You can also ask your virtual assistants to open a browser and navigate to a website, do arithmetic, get stock prices, check flight times, and even translate for you on the fly. Virtual assistants use artificial intelligence to learn your habits so they can predict what information you want before you even know you want it. Well, that's the plan anyway. However, I think we still have a good ways to go before they'll replace that high-paid executive assistant.